Hello guys, today I will show you how to change draft order in Yahoo Fantasy Football. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC and navigate to sports.yahoo.com. Now, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, you're going to first of all click on the fantasy option and you will see different options where you'll have to just click on see all fantasy games. Now, simply choose fantasy football. So I'm going to choose fantasy football from here. Now it will take me to this page and on this page I will see my teams and leagues for fantasy football. So what I'm going to do is click on this. Now it will take me to another page as you can see. Now on this page you'll have to click on the draft option and it will take you to another page. And as you can see, I can easily edit draft order and assign keeper players. And now you're going to see the option right here to edit the draft order. It will not let me currently edit it because my league is not full. But when it does, this is where you're going to be able to change the draft order for your Yahoo Fantasy. So that's all about changing the draft order on Yahoo Fantasy. You can do it right here from this page. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.